Are you ready? Let's go. How you doing? It's oh, we'll go this way. It's sap season. I've got a few hours here to work. Toys are reappearing from the snow. The evaporator is still a work in progress. I am working on it, but we need, use what you got. This shed is a little bit. All right, I'm not gonna tap a ton of trees this year. I'm gonna do some, and we'll put this puppy together. I also will probably bring sap to my good friend's house. He said, bring your sap over and boil here. I'm like, okay. You should make sure to clean out your taps after the year. Just a little bit of bleach and some water. You can also buy disposable taps now. These are what I call tree saver taps. They work for me. They're over there. Watch out. The attic looks like my basement. That's a good thing it's dark in there. So let's grab some buckets. 1, 2. They're pretty clean. You store them upside down. See, like those are. And then I've got all these lids in plastic, just because there are a couple of mice around here. They just like to bring you stuff. They're like, hey, wag the tail, wag the tail. Makes you smile, doesn't it? All right, I gotta get the buckets. Oh, wow. Usually these things stick together. Oh, good. Nice. Oh. The key thing is, yeah, I clean these and then I dry them in the sunlight and then I put them away and they don't stick because there's no sugary stuff to stick. If that makes sense. You want to put this where it can be kind of level, which is a challenge in New England. There's a nice rock we could wedge this into. What you don't want is this to tip over. You want to look at your tree and think about where you've tapped previously. I think the rule is like 6 inches away, sideways and up. I'm very conservative with the tapping because there's my trees, you know? So I'll put 2 taps in a tree of this size. This is almost 2 feet in diameter, maybe 20 inches. We don't use wooden wedges here, we use rocks. Hey, beautiful. Hi. I'm just on the outside of the invisible fence, which runs right through here. Yeah, on my storefront, I've got a whole section about the DIY invisible fence. And buy the upgraded wire. The cheap, thin wire that comes with the kit breaks. And then I finally bought the good stuff, and that was 4 years ago. I haven't had a break since. These buckets I got from one of my good friends. He makes wine and he has grapes or frozen grapes. Here they are again. They are, and then he had 20 of these buckets, so food grade plastic. I just cleaned them out. It's free. Upward angle. Can you see the sap coming out? Lightly tap this in. It'll make a different sound than we're in, okay? Don't wham this thing in because you're not gonna get it out and it damages the tree. You hear that sound? That means stop. See that? In a perfect world, that goes in automatically, but why is it? Oh, this is split. That's a pretty cool rock. I want to go a little higher up here. There's a ongoing debate about whether to tap on the warm side of the tree or the cold. In other words, the side of the tree that gets the sun. I just try and distribute the taps around the tree year to year. I mean, I'm not trying to make industrial amounts of sap, you know, I just want to, it's kind of fun when you go somewhere to hand someone a small jar of this caramel liquid and they're like, is this maple syrup? And then their eyes just go, yeah, I made that. And they're like, oh, wow. Anyway, let's go back to the drilling. You're gonna get some dirt in here because, well, there's dirt. That was deep, wasn't it? And so just don't fret, just take some snow. And then I just, it's kind of hard to hold the camera and do this, so hold on. And then I just, you know, kind of like a sponge, except it's snow. What kind of rocks are these, huh? You'll know, because I don't. But anyway, that works. They think it's dinner time and it's 3 hours away. I forget to move the bucket when I'm drilling, so I always clean the sawdust off here. You don't want that to drip into your bucket, you know. So, well, a little woody maple syrup. It was a bad joke, wasn't it? Are you ready for maple syrup? Are you? Are you ready for a stick? So that's 4. I'll do a bunch more when I have a little bit more time. But I just wanted to share that with you and share Andy, the Andy love. Makes you smile. All right. I'm always thinking, should I say something different at the end of the videos? Enjoy your day. There you go. Are we gonna enjoy our day?